The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for west central Huntington County in northeastern Indiana until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Andrews, Oregon, 7 miles east of Wabash, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Andrews around 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Huntington around 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Majnega. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Huntington, Indiana.
On the vertical column, we have all the agents, not counting Miss So, who were here when Apuska's mustache was stolen. And the